Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change Spotify to offline mode. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To use Spotify in offline mode and listen to your downloaded music without an internet connection, you can't follow these steps. So first, open the Spotify app, then go and tap on the premium on the bottom right. So offline mode is, a feature available to Spotify premium subscribers. Make sure you have a premium subscription. Before you can listen offline, you need to download the music you want to listen to. So now find a playlist, album, or podcast you want to download. Tap the download button, usually looks like a downward arrow, next to the playlist or track. Now, after downloading your music, active offline mode to prevent Spotify from using your mobile data. Now, open Spotify and go to your library. Tap on your icon, then tap the gear icon at the top right corner to access your settings. Now since I'm using a free plan, let me show you the feature of the premium Spotify with offline mode feature. Now this is it. In the settings playback section, you should find an option for offline mode or offline. Toggle the offline mode, switch to the on position. Spotify will confirm that you are in offline mode. Now, you can't enjoy the music you've downloaded without an internet connection. Now, keep in mind that you'll need to disable offline mode if you want to stream music and use mobile data again. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.